Welcome friends. So today we are going to see about our new subject that's name is computer lesson number 1 evolution of computers. Let's see. Subject computer lesson number 1 evolution of computer. Computer. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to perform only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. History of computers. The need to keep the track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices, right from abacus, the first calculating devices. Many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Early calculating devices. Abacus 3000 BC. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has two beads and each rod in earth has five beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Pascal's calculator. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented an adding machine called Pascal's calculator or Pascaline at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing additions and subtractions. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz's calculator was a mechanical device. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find square roots. Difference engine and analytical engine. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computers. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. These units work like modern computer. All the computers we used nowadays are based on it. Store was used for storing the data and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Boolean logic. George Boole. George Boole was an English mathematician. He realized the complex mathematical problems could be solved by reducing them to a series of questions having either positive or negative answers. He linked them with the binary numbers system and represented the positive result by 1 and the negative ones by 0. This theory of Boolean logic became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuitry. Tabulating machine. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented a machine called tabulating machine. It was capable for reading data, processing it and giving the desired output. The input was given through the punched cards. The punched cards were used to record and store data or information. Mark 1. Howard Aiken was the primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence controlled calculator. the Mark I in 1944. It was capable of executing long computations automatically. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Interrogator and Computer, the first general-purpose electronic digital computer, was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eschert in 1946. It consists of 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than Mark I. It could add two large numbers in 200 microseconds. EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator, designed by Professor Sir Maurice Wilkes at the University of Cambridge on 6 May 1949. This computer ran the first graphical computer game, nicknamed Baby. EDVAC, John von Neumann, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, is a modern type of computer came into existence with John von Neumann's development of software written in binary code. It was John von Neumann who started the practice of storing data and instructions in binary code in the memory. UNIVAC-1, Universal Automatic Computer I, was the world's first commercially available computer, designed by J. Presper Eschert and John Mauchly in 1951. It was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. It was also the first computer that was equipped with magnetic tape unit and used the buffer memory. Generations of computers. First generation computers 1940 to 1956 were based on vacuum tubes. Second generation computers 1956 to 1963 used transistors in place of vacuum tubes. Third generation computers 1964 to 1971 were based on integrated circuits. Fourth generation computer 1972 to present were based on microprocessors, with fifth generation computers present and behind evolve artificial intelligence (AI), where computers can behave, think and react in some way as humans do. Characteristics of computer. Speed. Speed is the amount of taken time by computer in completing the task. Computer works very fast and can do large number of calculations quickly as compared to human being. Computers are classified on the basis of instructions that they execute per second. Accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree of perfection or operations performed by a computer. Computers do not commit errors and are capable of handling complex instructions accurately. If the data fed into a computer is wrong, it may produce an inaccurate result. Reliability. Reliability refers to the quality of computer system to perform consistently well and complete its allotted duties on time without experiencing any system failure. In case of any failure in a computer system, there is a provision for immediate backup of information and programs. Versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks. Therefore, it can be used in almost all fields such as education, science and technology, business, finance, accounts, communications, etc. Storage. Storage is the capacity of computer to store data. A computer can store large amount of data which can be used anytime. You can store data into a computer through various external and internal devices such as hard disk, CD, DVDs, pen drive, RAM, ROM. A hard disk can store the maximum amount of data among these devices. The maximum amount of data that can store depends on the device chosen by the user. Diligence. Computers are non-respondent to human factors like fatigue, tiredness, or boredom. It can work repeatedly and efficiently for long hours without taking rest. Multitasking. Computer can do many tasks at the same time. For instance, one can enjoy listening to music while typing in MS Word or while working on any other package. Limitations of computer. Incapability to think. A computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. In case of any error, it cannot take any alternative actions. No intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no IQs. It needs instructions every step. Dependence on power. A computer is an electronic machine, thus it depends on power, makes it costly.